Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to enable the rear brake replacement service mode in Lexus GX550. First of all, I'll open the driver's door. Next, we will turn the vehicle on, press the start and stop button. Now we'll press and hold the brake pedal. And now I will do the following sequence. First I will pull it up 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and down, 1, 2, 3. And what you guys will see right now is the P sign will start blinking. Now we can release the brake pedal, you don't have to hold it anymore. And now you will need to press and hold this button down. Press and hold until you start hearing noise in the back of the vehicle. Now the noise is happening. The rear brake motor right now will unwind all the way, and the blinking will switch to slow blinking. I will turn the vehicle off, and now we can start working on the brakes. Now the rear brakes are fully released. This means you can change your brake pads, your rotors, do any other types of services that you want on your rear brakes. The electric parking brake motor actuator is fully unwinded. After you have finished working with your brakes, you can get back into the vehicle and turn the power on. And guys, you will still see the P sign blinking right now. So the electric parking brake motor is still fully released. To deactivate the rear brake service mode now, instead of pushing down, you'll have to pull this button up. Pull and hold. And now you'll hear the noise again. The motor will go into its proper position. Now I will reapply the parking brake. I will push the button up. And now the procedure is complete.